The driver of a tanker truck is in the hospital this evening after his rig overturned on Keysburg Road, about a quarter mile past Davidson Road in Adams, Tennessee. We're still waiting for the report from the Tennessee Highway Patrol, but we can tell you that the accident did occur just after several very sharp bends on the road. You may be wondering why a news report about an overturned tanker truck is not showing an overturned tanker truck. Well, this accident occurred deep in the farm country, and farmers have a different way of doing things. They had these massive tractors that were probably capable of pulling a building out of its foundation if they wanted to. And for them, it was child's play to put this thing back on its wheels, so that's exactly what they did. Normally, riding a rig like this would require all kinds of time and specialized equipment, but it was no big deal for the farmers. They probably saved somebody a lot of money. At any rate, the tractors were so large that I thought I had the wrong lens on my camera. I had to keep backing up. Look at the tire of the tractor compared to the truck there, and you can kind of see. At any rate, it was all very interesting. I'm glad the thing was only filled with water. As soon as we have information on the condition of the driver and the THP report to try to understand why the rig tipped over in the first place, we'll provide it in comments below the video. This has been Jim Ball reporting for SmokeyBarn.com's Robertson County Daily, deep in the farming community of Adams, Tennessee. Don't let this happen to you. We've all heard this sound before. Take your car to American Tire before it's too late. Don't sit there and stare at that check engine light. It's time to do something about it. Take it to American Tire and have them look under the hood. They'll get you on the road, and they'll keep you there too. Go like their Facebook page to see special offers and discounts. The link is below this video.